Yes, I bought a phone days before an Apple launch. This guy. Why would I do that? First things first, what did I get? I got a XS Max. Why buy a phone that is what, 2 years old? While we're days before an Apple launch, right? I don't really need to be in the latest and greatest. I guess that's what it is. Like, I love gear, I love new toys and, you know, like technology stuff, but it's just so much money right now. Yeah, I'm okay. My current phone is actually this guy. It's a 6 Plus. And you know, iPhone 6s came out like what, 2014, so this is pretty much like a 6-year-old phone. Yeah, I think we got it because back then my father-in-law worked for AT&T. We had a great deal getting the new phones back then, so I was like, why not, right? I think they were basically free back then when we got him. So yeah, I've had this phone for 6 years. I swapped between this phone and a OnePlus 3T. I love that phone too, but I noticed when I switched back to the iPhone and I started doing some smart home stuff, everything seems to be just smoother. Although this phone is way slower. Yeah, that is weird. But anyway, we're talking about the new phone. So, well, my new phone, my new XS Max that I got from AT&T. Yeah, let's unbox it. Over there. Cool. Here it is, my new phone, my new iPhone. It's been a while since I actually opened up an iPhone brand new for myself. Like I said, my current phone is a iPhone 6 Plus, which was back in 2014. So 6 years, I think it's okay to have a new phone now, right? Sometimes at work I get to unbox Apple products, and what I've noticed is you don't really need a knife for them anymore, which was nice. Like they have these like easy to open tabs. Let's just open that tab up. And nice. It's pretty easy. You don't need a knife, and plastic goes there. Here we go. Yeah, you've probably seen a lot of unboxing of this phone already. We're doing it anyway. Of course, you get your stickers, the usual Apple stuff. They have the SIM card tray injector pin. Welcome to iPhone. So I'm pretty excited about this. Coming from an iPhone 6, my iPhone 6 is so slow. I have the Nest doorbell. Even before I can open the app, the person that rang the doorbell is already gone. That's how slow it is. And here it is. So I got the Space Black XS Max. Still got the brick there, the headphones. I think this should have the lightning end for this headphones because as you all know, headphone jacks are gone. And you got the lightning cable there. Yeah, it still feels really nice. I mean, one of the things that I really liked about this phone is that premium feel. I can probably just get an SE or an iPhone 11 for this price because the iPhone 11 would probably be the same price as this that I got it for, but I do really want that stainless steel at the side. I don't usually use cases on my phone, so I really do like that. And when it came out, this was the flagship phone. This was the highest level of the iPhone family. So it's pretty much the iPhone 11 Pro Max back in its day, right? So I would say if you can get it for a really good deal, go for it. Let's continue this unboxing experience. Oh yes. I usually buy stuff like outright. I was looking for these in eBay and Amazon and stuff, but a lot of them are refurbished or used, which usually I won't mind. But with all the YouTube videos that I was watching about this phone, I guess the biggest thing, although it's not really that bad, but it's still like the batteries are still not as good as the present models. So I didn't want to buy a used one that the batteries are already like spent, you know? Even if it's like 90% or 93, 88, I would rather have it brand new, 100% battery. That's another part of this being a better deal than buying it outright for pretty much the same price from eBay or used, or you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm gonna go set this up. Yeah, let's start migrating. I didn't really plan on migrating my stuff right now. Let's see if it even has a charge in it. So power button. Okay, looks like it doesn't have a charge. 512 gigabyte storage, and for a fraction of the price of the current models. So coming from the 6 Plus, that's a really good really big deal for me. It's a 64 gig storage, although I'm pretty good managing my storage, but it's still nice to have more, right? And also what I'm really excited about is wireless charging. So I can kind of clean up my nightstand with all the cables that I have. A cable for this guy and a cable for an iPad, and sometimes I switch the cable for the iPhone with my AirPods. Having wireless charging is hopefully gonna be a lot better. I know that wireless charging, I think with these ones, it's still not the fastest, but I normally get through my batteries like pretty well, I guess. Did I say that right? Or anyway, I pretty much charge my phones while I'm sleeping anyway. Like I rarely have to charge my phone during the day, so I think that should be okay. What I'm just noticing is, yeah, look at that, that's just fingerprints. But yeah, this fingerprints, we'll see. Maybe I might end up using a case. Yeah, I guess it's okay. It doesn't really feel slippery or anything. This might actually be more slick than this one. Actually think it's, yeah, I'm getting a really good grip on this guy. It's just weird, yeah, it doesn't have battery, so I'm gonna charge it real quick and then let's get back to it with the transfer. Cool. So we're back. I put some little bit of juice in it so it'll turn on. Now let's start doing my stuff from my old phone to the new phone. Let's start with the SIM card. So of course it comes with the ejection pin, as you saw in the unboxing. Let's try this. I should be able to just turn this on the first time, and then by proximity they will know that there's another iPhone with it, and it'll enter a setup phase where it should ask us what we want to do, if we want to set it up, like transfer the old stuff to the new phone. So you see it starting up, more than 50% of the battery there. So just swipe it up, English, US, waiting for other phone. Has the weird graphic thing. It's actually not really weird, it's actually pretty cool that you line up your old phone to the new phone. So using the camera there, it's connecting now. And I think there are OS requirements for this. I think your old phone should at least be iOS 12. Not setting up the phone. Okay, continue. Set up later. I'll just do that later. Is it too bright? There we go. That's backed up, blah blah blah. Let's say update backup before restoring. Let's do that. I don't think there's a lot of changes that happen between that last backup, but just to make sure, let's just wait before I click on agree there. Now that backup is done, finish on new iPhone. Yeah, agree. Settings from your backup. Continue. I'll set that up later. Set up later. Share, true tone display, continue, software update. I wonder if I can do that later, but it doesn't seem like it. Terms and conditions, agree. Okay, so update is done. So that took forever. It's a 4 gig update and it decided to update itself while I was, transferring my stuff. And yeah, it took a very long time. Just imagine if you have to do that in the store. I don't know if that's like the normal thing. I didn't see any way to skip the update. It showed there, download and install. Downloading took longer, but at least it's done now, so we can proceed. Let's see where we're at. Here you go. Restart completed. Okay, apps in there will continue downloading in the background. Continue. Goes. Apple Pay, set up later. Improve, not now. Here on the side, I like the dark, so let's choose dark. And that's another good thing about the XS Max and the XS. Compared to the iPhone 11, this have an OLED screen, so your blacks are really gonna be like real deep black, so I really like that. So continue, welcome to iPhone. Aha, look at that, it looks like my old phone. Now it's just loading up my stuff. Cool. Allow widgets, allow, refresh. Ah, okay, so that seems to be good. I guess that's it. I'm not sure if we still need them to be close to each other with this part of the migration, but might as well just let them be close to each other. Now what we can do is put on the screen protector. This is InvisibleShield from Zagg. Got this from Amazon. I really like their products. I've been using them since this guy. Their customer service is great. The lifetime warranty is real and it's easy to, you know, there's not a lot of, you don't have to defend yourself pretty much to use the warranty that they promise. There was a time that when I was working away, just told them that it's hard for me to send the old one just because of where I am, and they said it's okay, I will send you the new one. That's no problem. Yeah, I really appreciate that. Really good customer service. Just clean that phone as much as we can. Yep, there's a microfiber cloth, and it's cool. It comes with that frame thing that you can use for installing. It makes it easy to install. I haven't done this in a while now, but let's see what we can do. Hopefully I don't run into any other issues or a lot of bubbles. And I think you would want to really register your InvisibleShield. Although customer service is really great, I find it even easier to apply for a claim if your product is registered. Dust removal sticker. I guess we're using this wet wipe. This is a brand new phone, so it is pretty clean, but it does attract a lot of fingerprints. I wonder if my hands are just naturally oily. New microfiber cloth. See, like streaks here. I think that's pretty clean. Stubborn dust particles. You can use this sticker. Seems clear. Okay, just like put the tray on the phone. Focus the camera. There we go. Put that. Easy apply tray, push it down. Okay, so now we got the tray on. It says here to peel off this tab that says number 1. This side of the screen protector, which we're peeling off, that will be on the phone. And do not touch that. And remember the notch. So using these tabs at the top and the bottom, you should be able to drop it on the phone. Once that's down, press at the center, and then it will apply itself. Virtually no bubbles there. You have these little things here. You can grab your microfiber cloth and just kind of press that out towards the outside of the phone. I guess we can take out the tray now. That's okay. It's easier for us to buff out those bubbles. Not a lot. Right, now then you peel off that yellow tab. It's good. That's good. Let's see. That's me migrating my phone to my new phone. Pretty excited to use it. That was fairly easy. It really just took time with that update for iOS 14, but in general, it was pretty pain-free. I'm not sure if that's the same for everybody or that's a normal setup thing, but I would hate to be waiting for that update if I'm in the store. My old one's still pretty snappy when it comes to this, but probably like in opening stuff, that's when it gets kind of sluggish. Let's see, Spotify. Yep. I haven't logged onto the Spotify, but as you can see, it's already asking me. It already proceeded to what's next, and then that just took its sweet time. Weather. Boop. Yep. Look at that animation. It's like raining here. My iPhone 6 is not. There's no animation there. I guess that's it. First impressions. Migrating. I think I'll enjoy my phone better now. It should just be a lot better experience than my old 6 here. It seems yellowish actually. Maybe that's the true tone thing. This more blue. And this a little bit more, like a little warmer than this. I'm not sure if that's because of the screen protector, but they both have the screen protectors. And I just want to say these cracks are not my fault. I'm not gonna get into it, but yeah, That's not my fault. Anyway, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I don't know if it helps anybody at all. I just want to say, if you're upgrading your phone right now and you don't really need to be at the latest and greatest, this is such a real good deal. You still get the better camera, especially if you're coming from the really old ones like the 6 or maybe even 7, and you don't want to spend that much money on the 11s and you like this premium flagship feel. This really is I think would be a really good buy. Of course, we will know more as the weeks go by. I'll let you guys know the progress or the difference between my really old one and this new one. Definitely there's gonna be a difference. Yeah, hope you like this video. If you did, just click on the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. So thank you for watching. Bye.